Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve storage space running out problem. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Google Chrome. Now click on three dots. Press on Settings. Now scroll down and click on Site Settings. Scroll down and go to Data Stored. If you want to delete your data, then click on Delete All Data. Press on Delete. That's it. So this is how to solve storage space running out problem. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.